everybody. Okay, I'm going to talk about me transferring from these to these. Let's start off with this. These are gummies and these are pills. These are strawberry flavored and these are full of veggies. They're like veggie capsules. Well, they are veggie capsules. There's 90 in there and there's 200 in here. So this one, that one's like you take 2 and this one's you take 1. So these new ones are just 1 pill. They are, I would say they're equivalent to the size of maybe, I don't know if anybody's ever took a UTI pill, but they're kind of that size or whatever. They're a little bigger than what I'm used to, but at first I had a hard time getting them down. And I realized maybe it was because I wasn't drinking enough water when I took it, and it definitely makes a difference. You have to drink a good amount of water when you take it, not like a whole like ounce or something, whatever. Gallon, not ounce, a whole gallon. That's not necessary, but you do probably need to drink about a gallon a day to not break out. I have some breakouts right here and over here because I drank 4 bottles of 16 ounces and that doesn't do it. So they have strengthened my nails, I feel like, because, well, this one's shorter because it has a crack in it. I don't know if you're able to see that. And it's right there close to the quick, so gonna have to cut that down when they grow a little bit more. That has improved my hair. Like, my hair is not coming, like, it's really soft now and manageable, which it was last time, but my hair feels like it's healthy up here since I've took these, and then I stopped taking them for about a week, and then I switched to these. Feels like they've helped. So thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.